Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to give my first expression on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. This phone is available in the market. I will have some to share with you. You can check out for yourself. Shout out to Samsung for sending out this review until ahead of time. First look, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in new wider form factor. Let's go ahead and fold this fold for the first time. A super lightweight in the hand, so a little bit heavier than the advertised 201 gram that Samsung was presenting this as. But still, this feels so incredibly light in the hand. Taking a physical tour. On the right, we have our power button with the fingerprint sensor built in. Absolutely love getting into my phone this way. Camera bump doesn't seem to be sticking too far out of the phone dot, but you will have some wobble action on this just like the other folds. On the left, we have hinge with the Samsung branding. Samsung did tell me that they redesigned the hinge for this Fold 8 specifically this year, so it's going to help ever more with the crease on this dot on the top. We have one of our two speakers, have a couple of mics, have our SIM tray, which in here we have room for just one physical SIM card. No micro SD expansion on this. On the bottom, we have another speaker, couple more mics, and our Type-C port, now capable of 45-watt charging. There is also a noteworthy improvement to the opening and closing of this Fold 8 series dotted. Just makes it significantly easier to open dots, so physically, this feeling much improved here. And really excited to try out this new form factor. Taking our first look at the 5.5-inch outer display. This new aspect ratio is going to have a lot of nice utility dots and also just benefiting from this compact phone. Factor dot as far as the inner display. Have a great size here for watching content, and I think the portrait orientation is going to be also a game changer on this fold. For me personally, because my current other favorite phone right now, the Galaxy Trifold. I'm actually using this. This is where the Galaxyz Fold 8 separates itself from traditional flagship smartphones. The large AMOLED display should deliver the vibrant colors, deep blacks, excellent contrast, and smooth scrolling that Samsung's premium phones are known for. And for media consumption, this screen is one of the biggest reasons to consider a fold device. The camera system is designed to give you flexibility across different situations, including standard photos, ultra-wide shots, portraits, and zoom photography. For daytime photography, we expect strong detail, vibrant colors, and good dynamic range.
After this unboxing and first look, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 certainly looks like a serious premium foldable smartphone. The design feels futuristic. The large inner screen offers a completely different smartphone experience, and the productivity potential is impressive. But the real test will come after using this phone for several days.